Beach Cameraman, and I'm just going to head down to the seafront. We got high tide. Hello, swans and geese. They're used to this sort of weather now. So the seawall seems to be getting a bit of a test, and we shall see what's happening. Well, I'm down here at the what they call the boating lake, and the foam's made it up to this weir here. Mother swan's all right. Hello, babes. She's okay. This is the second weir up, and then we got the swan's nest, so it's okay. This is just spume, as it's called. Organic matter, basically dead fish. High tide now. 4.2 meters, I believe, which is okay. The waves are that's got me already. I'm salty already. So that's pretty choppy. See the waves coming up. I think the waves have calmed down a little bit from what I was seeing on the cameras, but I probably shouldn't have said that. Yeah, I'm getting absolutely soaked. Wow, that's seriously high tide. Okay, yeah, wet feet. That's crazy. Oh! 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 That got me. Oh, I was going down. Oh! That got me. That got me as well. Okay, I won't be going down to Corriton. Woohoo! That wave return is doing a pretty incredible job with some of these. Because before we had the wave return, all of that would end up in Marine Parade. And then my local had to shut because it was flooded. Whee! 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 Right. Right. Well, if you're enjoying this video, because I'm sure you are, give it a like, a share. And if you want to see more exclusive content, you can sign up on the website or on YouTube. Yeah, I can't even talk right now. I'm very salty. I mean, still, there's a lot of water coming up, but it's heading back straight back out to sea again, which is good. I'm done. The floodgates look pretty flooded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a share, a like, and hit subscribe and click the little bell icon to watch more of these videos where I get soaked and you stay dry.